Hello. The question is, a cistern which has a leak in the bottom is filled in 15 hours. Had there been no leak, it could have been filled in 12 hours. If the cistern is full, the leak can empty it in. Here in the question, a cistern which has a leak in the bottom is filled in 15 hours means there are two pipes. One is the positive worker and the other one is the negative worker, and when they working together they filled the tank in 15 hours. And had there been no leak means then the positive worker only, and it could have been filled in 12 hours. Here we will find the total work by taking the LCM of these two timings 15 and 12, and the LCM of 15 and 12 is 60. This is the total work, or we can say 60 liters is the capacity of the tank or the cistern. 15 4 times 60 and 12 5 times 60. These are the efficiency of A plus B is 4 and the efficiency of A is 5. We have to calculate if the cistern is full, the leak can empty it in. Therefore, we have to calculate the time taken by B to empty the cistern equals to, and the capacity of the cistern is 60 liters divided by efficiency of B. Here we calculate the efficiency of B. The efficiency of A is 5, or we can say efficiency of A is plus 5 because A is the positive worker, and efficiency of A plus B is 4, and efficiency of A is 5. We take the efficiency of B as x equals to 4 and x equals to minus 5 plus 4. This means efficiency of B, or efficiency of B is x, is minus 1. Therefore, we divide this total piece of work by 1 and we take 60 hours to empty the cistern. Thank you.